Hello and thanks for watching this Cloud9 ERP Solutions video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this series of videos of Acumatica 2025 R2, we're going to talk about how the dashboards have been enhanced to utilize the modern UI. So right now we're looking at the customer view dashboard. In the demo site, there's a number of different dashboards. If you click show all here, you'll see customer view, and there's a lot of dashboards here in the demo data site. Now, this is the classic UI. This is the way it looks today. But with 2025 R2, if we click on design here, we can switch to the modern UI. So what this allows us to do is convert our existing dashboards over to the modern UI. As I upgraded from the preview to the beta, this dashboard was left this way. My thought is that Acumatica is going to require everybody to go over and click switch to modern UI. It's not going to automatically convert the dashboard over, but we'll see as we get to the full release. Additionally, since I upgraded from a preview instead of upgrading from a full version to a full version, maybe that process would have upgraded my dashboard. It's not sure, but again, if you click on design and we click switch to modern UI, that will convert this dashboard over. Now, the first thing we notice from just visually seeing it, and I noticed in the release notes also, that it's much faster. Additionally, we see the filter view up here has been enhanced. In the release notes, it talks about how you can save different filters. So for example, we can say, we'll call this the customer filter and share it with others. Similar to the GI, the generic inquiry, in the modern UI. And over here, we can click edit filter. So we can get to our filters without going into the individual widgets. But that just gives us the name change. But here, you can click on it, and because it's customer ID, you have the ability to type in the customer or do a search for the customer that you want to filter by. And over here, you can switch between the different types of filters that you have. Now, additionally, if we click on design, moving the widgets always used to be challenging in the classic UI. It's always difficult to get the widget to the new spot. But with the modern UI, I noticed it's much easier. It snaps a lot better. So we move this back. We want to go and put late orders over where orders to ship. We can snap it back easier. Very similar to the way your smartphone you might snap widgets back and forth. It's having that kind of behavior here. We can switch these back over. We can resize. And notice that gave us room for another widget, which is really nice. It was always difficult to jumble the widgets around. Now, if we click on the pencil to edit a widget, you'll see this has been redesigned also, making it a lot easier to understand. You can see we have the title of the widget, your visualization type. In this case, because it's a KPI, we have scorecard or meter. What screen we're pulling this from, how often to refresh the widget, where we're getting our dashboard parameter from. So you can see that here, the account ID, that's what we're pulling from. And our filter is, of course, requested on anything before today's date, meaning it's going to be late. We're totaling the order number. Anything unique in the order number of this data is going to be counted. And here you have all your color indicators. If we take a look at a chart, you can see that's been redesigned as well, but with the similar information. So far, I haven't seen anything different there. Just making it easier to understand, and certainly everything is better designed and faster. And then lastly, the properties panel has also gotten the modern UI treatment. But again, with similar information, what roles have visibility to this dashboard, whether or not The individual users can personalize the dashboard and bring it from the original creation to something of their own. The parameters and how they're defined, and all of the different widgets where you can manage these inside this dashboard property view, turn them on and off, and actually make changes to them right from here. So that's the new modern user interface dashboards. They've been redesigned. They look much better. Hopefully you found this video useful, and hopefully you'll enjoy the new dashboards. If you have any questions about this or anything else Acumatica, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and have a great day.